your first graded project for HTML CSS unit is project 4, My Favorite Photos. So if you click on here and click on the Start Project, we're going to make a just simple photo page that has photos with an explanation underneath them, a heading 1, a heading 2. You can put another paragraph in if you want to. So if you look at the requirements in Google Classroom, you need that H1 and the H2, a minimum of 5 images, and then a paragraph element underneath each image describing the image. And then for your styles, you need text color on the body or paragraph elements with and border style on the image, font family and font size on the headings, and then text align on the body of the document. So let's get this set up. So here's what it looks like when you pop into it. What we're going to do is just delete the code that is here, and we are going to copy and paste this to Control V, get our basic stuff set up here. You will need 5 pictures, and you can download them to your computer and then drag them over here to share them on your page. So I did winter scenes. And to get an image, I would just like click on an image and then right click, open image in a new tab, take a look at it, and it looks good. So I'll right click, save image as, and then give it a name. That's winter scene 1, save. You would need that, you need 5 pictures, okay? And then once you have those images, if you go into your downloads, you can then grab the pictures that you downloaded and drag them and drop them right here, and it uploads the files onto Tinker for you to use. And then go back into your index. Did I accidentally delete all of my, oh, am I in the wrong one? I'm in the wrong one, whoops. I have too many open. Pull those over here. There we go. Now I have those pictures. I'm going to show you one, just a reminder of putting your images in with the URL versus uploading them here. You can do either or. So we're going to, you can just get rid of the content here. We're going to set up our body and a title. So in the head, you're going to set up title, and we're just going to say favorite photos, and go ahead and put our style tag in right away and get that all set up. We're going to head over into the body, and we're going to set up an image. Oh, heading 1 first. So heading 1, I called mine favorite photos. And then for my heading 2, I just said winter scenes, because that's what I picked, was different winter scenes that I liked. So that's my subheading. Now the next thing I need to set up then is an image tag, and I'm just going to set that up and copy and paste it a bunch of times. So I'm going to say image source equals, and I'm going to do my 2 quotes, and then I'm going to say my alt equals, and get those in there. And I'm going to do my width right here, because that's how I like to handle it. And then forward and slash that image. And then under each image is going to be a paragraph tag. So I'll put that in there. Now I need 5 of those. So I'm going to copy and paste that 5 times. I'm going to put in 1 image from here to show you how to do it, and 1 image from the web to show you how to do it. Here's this winter scene. I'm going to open it in a new tab. I'm going to copy here this link. If I do paste this source and click play to preview, it doesn't like that image, which happens sometimes. I don't have an alt, and it's not giving me an error, which is kind of weird. Makes me wonder if I did something wrong in here to begin with. just going to say winter night, hit play. Oh, wow. Interesting. Oh, I didn't put a width on it. It said 0, that's why. I'm going to do 350 pixels. Play. Alright, I think it's just being weird. I just had to refresh it and pull everything back over. I'm going to hit save. I'm going to turn on my autosave so it stops being annoying. It is on good. Now if I hit play, oh, tinker. It is so, like, not updating appropriately, which is super annoying. Saved, play. The preview is like being weird. There we go. See, now it's fine. I don't know. I have to switch between the two. You might have to do the same. So for each image then, that's the one image, I would then put some text under that. This is like a snow covered trees and bridge over a river. It's really pretty. It looks like Hyde Park downtown Madison. The other way is to do the source here, where you just type in the name image here. So I could do skiing, which is one of my images that I have, and then just say mountain skiing, and set that with, again, and right underneath that one, if I hit play, the size should be updated. So that's getting those images and stuff in here. Now the next thing you need to start thinking about is the styles that you need to have in here, and you need to style every element of here. So you need to style, if you remember with it, use the name of the element you're going to style, so H1, and then the curly brackets, and get that set up. We're going to do H2, curly brackets, set that up. Paragraph, curly brackets, set that up. Image, curly brackets, set that up. And we also need to do the body, because we're going to do probably a background color or a border of some type on it. So we have those basics set up here. Then you want to say what you're going to do. Now if you look at the instructions, you need to have text color on body or paragraph element. So if you don't want to change the background color, that's fine. But then your paragraph tag has to have some color change to it. If you want to do the body, you would say background, make sure you spell it right, background color, and click on it, and then choose a color. And you can just choose a color from the list and edit with a semicolon, check your work, and there it goes. So you need that in there. You need width and border style on your images. The width is already done because we did our width inside of our image tag, but you need a border on it. So with an image and with a border, you have to say border, I could spell, style, and you pick a style. So I just did a all the way around solid one, which was fine. And then you can choose your border color. You can change the width of it if you want. I'm going to do just like gray. We'll do it dim gray. And now that changed. And you need a font family and size on your headings, and then text align your body. So you want in your body to align your text or your headings. It's up to you. I just align everything. Text align center. That centers everything on the page, but looks great. And then my headings, I need font family, and you can choose fonts from the list that I gave you. which is attached to the assignment here, which are ones that you can use, or just do the generic font families. Again, that's up to you. I like some of the more fun ones, so you can use something a little bit more fun if you want to. There are some listed on the bottom of this page. These are all the ones that you can use. Keep going. There is a list on the bottom of WebSafe and scripty ones, and I like that Seago script is what I did for my top part, so I'm going to use that. My H1, I did Seago script. I need to put that in quotes or it won't know what I'm talking about. And this, and I spelt it wrong. Like, oh, nope, I didn't. Yay, me. See how that changed? And then I would change my font size to whatever I wanted it to be. Oh, my number lock's off. Oops. 72 pixels. Check and see what that looked like and if I liked it, etc. And then just continue on doing that and changing everything to how I want it to look.